my staff is from all over the world. I'm taking them as my own family. Then when I die, he said, I didn't carry the good things. I didn't go to the correct place. Who went to the heaven and come back and tell that I never been the whole place?
Brother, what's your question? Brother, this is a question answer time.
Yeah.
What is your question? You have already given
My question is very clear. Yes, I was looking into the question all people putting on you. I'm very clear. It's all a basic question. I'm asking the floor. 80% or 90% of you, don't you understand what you say? You all should know very well. It's written in Quran. Everybody should know. What you are explaining now, just now, is all a basic, which I know. I have a lot of brothers working with me from all over. My question is, you cannot deny a person, if it is, I respect all the religious. Hindu, you know, Emadan Sambandam, you know what's the meaning of that? We respect all the religious. I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat fish, I don't eat chicken, I don't eat anything. Okay? I got 3 children, I even touch my hand with my wife, you know. Just now you told me Hindu can marry more wives. I ever, never, even my wife die, I die. It's something like that.
Brother has asked a question. Brother, I've understood your question. You have given a short speech.
Yeah.
This is a question answer time. You are talking about practice and you are breaking the rules. The rule I got.
You give me a clear answer. If you are a non-Muslim, if they do a lot of good things, even I pay for the masjid or what, I done everything for church and all. You are telling me that I don't get the correct message to go to the correct place?
Brother asked the question that if a non-Muslim gives charity, etc., and he said that, will you go to the correct place? Your question is everything garbled. You have to ask simple question. You have given short speeches that you should not read book, you should practice Middle East, you have family. You said so many words, but there was no clear-cut question. A question should have a question mark in the ending.
What I'm trying to say is very simple. Can you give me the answer? If non-Muslim, good things, even give our life to Muslim, we didn't do the best for you all. Even when I die, many people say, it's very pity we're not Muslim. Is this correct answer?
Brother is asking that if a non-Muslim does good things like he has given charity, so when he dies, will he go to heaven or hell? That's what I understand. Brother, the answer I already gave earlier. When you sit for an examination, like when I sat for my 10th standard ICSE, there were 6 subjects I had to pass. Science, English, Hindi, history, geography. I had to pass. If I get 100 out of 100 in 5 subjects, and one subject, science, I get 10 out of 100, will I pass? I will fail. So similarly, the criteria to go to Jannah, to go to paradise, is you should have faith, number 1.
Who the Dajjal will be. So there are hadiths talking about the Dajjal. So surely before the world ends, this Dajjal will come. He'll be born. Isa alayhi salam will come again. He will see to it that he kills this Dajjal. Mahdi salam will come. And Khilafah will be established. So all these are there. So this is basically talking about the Dajjal, where there are various hadiths talking about it.
Is that related to Jews? Is it from Jews?
No, see, many things what is mentioned in the Bible may have also been mentioned in the Quran. What is mentioned in the Quran is also mentioned in the Bible. We agree it is correct. But there are many things which are mentioned there in the Bible which is not mentioned in the Quran. So it comes in the Mubah category, optional. But there are some things which are mentioned in the Bible which is against the Quran and Sahih Hadith that we don't have to agree at all. So whenever you read any other scripture, whether it be the Bible, whether it be the Veda or any other religious scripture, there are 3 categories. One is